All right, our next example here. Dylan has 65 baseball cards and Joseph has 50. Dylan has what percent more than Joseph? So first we take our two numbers. We have to find the difference, don't we? So we have to subtract the two. 65 minus 50, and that's equal to 15. So then I'm going to take the 15 and trying to find Joseph has what percent less than Dylan. So we're going to take 15%. We're going to put it over Joseph's amount here of 50. Because we're trying to find Joseph what percent less than Dylan. So 15 divided by 50. Now, if I multiply top and bottom by 2, I get a number over 100. 30 over 100. And then that's going to give me 30%. So this was the way to convert. So 15 over 50, I can easily multiply that top and bottom by 2, and that'll give me 30%. Dylan has 30% more cards than Joseph. So don't get too confused here, okay? You've got Dylan and Joseph. You subtract the two amounts, and then 15 is the amount of change. I'm going to put that over Joseph. Joseph has 50 cards. So you're going to put that over the amount that Joseph has, 50 cards. That's why 15 over 50. And then we get 30%. 30% more cards than Joseph. Now, if we take Dylan's amount, I can put 15, the amount of change, over 65, because that's how many baseball cards Dylan has. Then that's going to give me approximately 0.23, and that would be a 23%. So that means Dylan has 23, or Joseph has 23% less than Dylan. Okay. Let's take a look here. Marcus earned an average of $25 per week mowing lawns last summer. This summer, he estimates he will make about $40 a week. What is the percent of increase? So remember our two numbers here. For 25, the original price, and 40 is the new price. We have to find the percent increase. So remember our formula, the percent change is equal to the amount of change over the original times 100%. And so in the problem, we had $25 last summer, and then this summer would be $40, right? So when you subtract 40 minus 25, you get $15. And that's our amount of change. And then we get the original amount down on the bottom. Then you multiply by 100%. So this 15 over 25 gives us 0.6. You multiply that by 100, and you can get a 60% increase. And why is this an increase? Because his amount went from $25 last summer to $40 this summer. So that gives us a 60% increase. All right, the next one here, a $400 guitar is reduced to $340. Find the decrease in the price. So again, I need to take a look at my formula. I've got the percent change, the amount is the amount change over the original amount times 100%. So the amount of change was 60, because if you remember, it went from $400 down to $340. So the difference between those two was $60, and I'm going to divide it by the original amount, which is $400. Then I multiply that by 100%. So 60 divided by 400 is going to be 15 cents, okay, times 100. And then that's going to give me a 15% decrease, because we're going down from $400 down to $340. Your assignment then for tonight is going to be lesson 7.8. And you'll get to do the odd numbers from 3 to 33. Okay, so hopefully these discounts and markups and markdowns and amount decrease and increase can be something that will help you to know how to calculate these things, so that if you go shopping, okay, whether it be for clothes, for food, you can see and compare prices, compare whether we were talking about an increase or a decrease.